Okay guys, we are going to take the Lumix 20-60 f3 to 5.6 kit lens, which I almost didn't buy because of those exact specs. But I read on the internet a lot of good things about it, and now I really do like the lens. So we got it here to Daytona, and I thought I'd come out to the beach and shoot a few pictures so you can see what it would do a few videos. It's not a long video, but I just wanted you to get an idea of what it would do. We're filming with it right now, so hopefully it's keeping me in focus. Hopefully. So anyway, we'll run the pictures and the videos that we have now. So let's take a look. All right guys, so that was the video. Hopefully you liked that. It was short, but I just wanted to get an idea of what this lens would do. 20-60, Lumix f3 5 to 5.6, not very expensive lens. Kit lens, comes with most of them. If you get a chance to get it or don't get it, I recommend getting it because it's really worth it, especially at that price. So anyway guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, leave a comment down at the bottom. We'll get back to you. For helping you out, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. You guys have a great day. Thank you.